Welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Mercedes CLA AMG Sport 220 diesel. It's the estate or shooting brake as it may be called. Fantastic condition. Full AMG body styling kit, front park distance control, unmarked diamond cut alloy wheels, AMG style. It's in lovely metallic grey. Got the black pack on it, so all the wing mirrors around the window surrounds are all black. Got the rear park distance control, deeper AMG rear diffuser, twin exhausts, electric tailgate. It's all in lovely condition. Rear parcel shelf. Privacy glass to the rear. AMG half leather Alcantara red stitch piping seats, electric windows, electric mirrors. It's got a lot of nice extras on the car as well. So it's done 69, hang on, just get that up again, 69,503 miles. Paddle shift on the gearbox, cruise control, 3-stage heated seats for passenger and driver, satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for phone and music. Just start the car up. Starts up brilliantly. Climate control. Park distance control with a camera. At DJH with full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call 07503 751 005. Thank you.